In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed videos in Substack posts the easiest way. We'll be guiding you through each step to ensure you can seamlessly integrate videos, thereby enriching your content and upping your engagement with your audience. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Substack dashboard. This is the central hub where all your content magic happens. Once you're there, you'll notice an option to create a new post, typically located right at the top of your screen for easy access. Click on the New Post button to get started. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear showcasing different post types. For our purpose, select Text Post. This is the foundation where you'll eventually add your video link. Now that you've got your text post ready, it's time to focus on crafting a captivating title. Think of a title that not only catches the eye but also gives readers a sneak peek into what your post is all about. It's a crucial part of your post as it sets the stage for the content. Following the title, you have the option to add a subtitle. While this is optional, it can provide additional context or intrigue, potentially drawing in more readers. So, it's worthwhile to spend a little time crafting this as well. Next comes the exciting part, embedding the video. This is where the magic really happens. To do this, simply paste your video link directly into the body of your text post. You might wonder how this works. Well, Substack supports embedding directly by recognizing the video link and adjusting the content accordingly. It's important that the link is properly formatted and that it comes from a supported platform to ensure smooth embedding. With your video link in place, click Continue. This action takes you to the settings, where you can customize who gets to see your post. You'll encounter options for visibility settings. Here, decide whether you want your post to be seen by everyone, or if it should be exclusive to paid subscribers. This choice often depends on whether your video content is general or contains exclusive material meant for a specific audience. Following the visibility settings, you'll have the opportunity to manage comments. Decide if you'd like to allow comments from everyone or no one at all. If engaging with your audience is important to you, enabling comments can be a great way to spark conversation and gain valuable feedback. We're almost done, but let's not forget tagging. Adding tags to your post aids in categorization and makes it easier for your audience to find related content. Choose tags that are relevant to both the video and the overall theme of your post. If you're not ready to publish your post right away, take advantage of the scheduling feature. This allows you to plan when your post will go live, which can be incredibly useful for timing your content with audience activity. Finally, when you're ready, click Send to Everyone Now to publish your post with the embedded video. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to easily embed videos into your Substack posts. Thank you for watching, and happy posting!